In this video, I will be sharing with you a very interesting betting trick process that makes me money every day as far as football betting is concerned, especially during the weekdays when popular football teams don't usually play. Football matches are played every day around the world from Monday to Friday, so you don't have to wait until only Saturdays or Sundays to make money with them. Please note that this is not a get-rich-quick video. This daily betting trick will not make you a millionaire overnight, but it will enable you to make little daily incomes like $150, $300, or even $400 and above depending on your stakes. I will be sharing all the process in the form of a tutorial that you must follow for this to work, so make sure you watch carefully till the end, because I will not be responsible for your loss if you watch only half of the video and you lose money because of it. Now let's get into it. The first step to making daily income with football betting is to see it as a normal trading. You have to be very careful and take it seriously. Now the first process is looking for the matches we want to trade with, so for this, we have to use a prediction website called 4bet. This site is so detailed and perfect for your betting tips. When you get there you are going to see different betting prediction markets, but take note, to have guaranteed daily winnings you have to bet on goals, not straight wins or correct scores. Straight wins disappoint a lot and are unreliable because of many factors, and there's definitely nothing like fixed correct scores anywhere. But the goals betting market never disappoints, if you master the hacks. So select the under or over goals. There are over 1.5, 2.5 predictions here with great odds, as you can see, but what works best for me and lets me cash out daily is the under 2.5 goals. And if you want a very safe under goal betting that also have high odds, you need to target these leagues: the Brazilian Serie B, the Brazilian Serie A, Greece Football League, Chilean League, Argentina Division A, B and C, Colombian League, Mexico, and South African League. Almost all South American leagues mostly score less goals, and luckily most of them play during the week. On weekends when the popular leagues play, you can choose leagues like La Liga First and Second Divi, League One and Serie A. And you can easily identify these leagues on the website through their flags. But hold on, this isn't just about copying tips from a prediction site and betting on them straight away. Many bettors lose daily because that's what they do. If you want to win regularly with betting, you need to realize that nobody cares about your bets more than you, no other person or betting prediction website do. So you need to first select 5 under 2.5 betting tips and do a further but quick research to verify if the under 2.5 predictions are really safe to put your money on. The first quick research is checking the league table to know the both teams' goals scored to goals conceded ratio. The second is checking both teams' last 5 games to be sure if they really have difficulty in scoring goals. To know more about the goal market research hack and how to do a proper analysis, watch this video. After analyzing their goal scoring form, another method that I use to confirm if the under 2.5 betting is safe is looking at the odds provided for all the over and under betting option. If the odd for over 1.5 option is too high and the over 2.5 odds looks ridiculously high, then your bet is safe. I know I said odds don't matter, but this method actually works here. After you have done this for all the 5 games, you must pick just 3 out of the 5. Make sure they are the ones you are confident of. And the 3 games should give you roughly 3 to 3.5 odds. I personally use only the 3 odds strategy instead of 2 odds to win daily because it's safe. It allows you to triple your profit, and the 3 odds rollover system can increase your money rapidly in no time, especially for those that don't have much money to put on their bets. To make your daily betting safer and your winnings guaranteed, you can break the bets down by going for the under 3.5 option in place of under 2.5, then select 4 games instead of 3. This whole process is safer and it should work daily for you at least 94% of the time. And for those that come to my DM on WhatsApp to say, "Hey, Nook Strategia, what trick can I use to stop losing money totally in football betting? Or please give me a 100% hack to stop losing." Well, the number 1 trick I'm going to give you that will make you stop losing is not betting at all. Yes, if you don't want to lose money at all, don't bet. Football betting is like trading. Some days you win and sometimes you lose. But to always win 99% of time, you must not be lazy to do your research. You should not just depend on betting tips websites, and you must find a strategy. Whether it's the over 1.5 goals that works for you, or under goals or corners, or a way to score over 0.5 goals. And only bet what you can afford to lose, then roll it over slowly and patiently. I will be making more helpful daily football bet winning videos, so to know when we release another, make sure you subscribe, and most importantly, click on the notification bell to be the first to know when we release another.